Is your lease running out? Worried about your property losing value? You're not alone, and today we're talking about your legal right to extend your lease. Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel, and if you own a leasehold flat or maisonette in England or Wales, this video is for you. Let's break down your lease extension rights, and why acting early could save you thousands. When you buy a leasehold property, you're essentially renting it for a long period, often 99 or 125 years. But as that lease gets shorter, the value of your property drops, and mortgage lenders may start to get nervous. Lease under 80 years? Time to act. Under the Leasehold Reform, Housing and Urban Development Act 1993, most leaseholders of flats have the legal right to extend their lease by 90 years, on top of what's left, at a peppercorn rent, which basically means no ground rent. You must have owned the property for at least 2 years to qualify. The cost to do this, called the premium, depends on several factors. These include the current length of the lease, the property's market value, the ground rent payable, and marriage value if the lease is under 80 years. You can extend your lease in 2 ways. First, there's the informal route, where you negotiate directly with your freeholder. It's quicker, but honestly the terms may not be in your favor. Second, there's the statutory route, which is a formal legal process that gives you stronger rights and protections. Always get legal advice before agreeing to informal terms. The Leasehold and Freehold Reform Act 2024 brings big changes. Lease extensions will now be for 990 years instead of 90. Ground rent will be abolished on new leases. The 2-year ownership rule may be scrapped. These reforms aim to make leasehold fairer, but they're not yet fully in force at the time of this video being uploaded. So if your lease is short, don't wait. At Blackstone Solicitors, we guide clients through both informal and statutory lease extensions. We'll help you assess the premium, serve the correct notices, and negotiate the best terms. Thinking of extending your lease? Contact us today for expert legal advice and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.